Good morning, Denti, and thank you for joining this meeting.
Good morning, Naya. It's my pleasure.
Okay, let's start by discussing the progress of Project A. How is the team doing with the initial milestones?
Overall, we're on track, but we've encountered a few minor roadblocks. The design team is slightly behind schedule due to some unexpected revision requests by the client.
I see. Could you elaborate on those revisions? Are they significant enough to impact the overall timeline?
Yes, they are. The client wants a completely different color scheme and some change to the user interface. I've already assigned additional resource to the design team to help them catch up.
That's good to hear. Have you communicate the recipe timeline to the client?
Not yet. I wanted to get your approval first. I estimate that the revision will add about a week to the design pace.
All right. Let's schedule the meeting with the client to discuss the revisit timeline and ensure they understand the implication. I handled the communication.
Thank you, Naya. I appreciate that.
So now let's talk about the development team. How are they progressing with the coding pace?
The development team is making excellent progress. They've completed the core functionality and are now working on the advanced features.
That's great news. Are there any potential risks or challenges we should be aware of?
There's a slight risk that we might encounter some integration issue when we merge the code from the design and development teams. But we're taking proactive measures to mitigate that risk.
What measures are you taking?
We're conducting regular code reviews and integration tests to identify and resolve any potential conflict early on.
Excellent. Keep me update on your progress. Finally, let's discuss the testing phase. When do you anticipate the team will be ready to start testing?
We should be ready to start testing in about 2 weeks. We've already prepared the test case and set up the testing environment.
Perfect. Please make sure the testing team has enough research and support to complete their work efficiently.
I will. Also, I was wondering if we should consider conducting a preliminary user testing session before the full testing pass. This might help us gather early feedback and identify any major usability concern.
It's a great idea, Denti. Gathering early user feedback could prevent larger issue down the road. How soon do you think we can organize the decision?
If we coordinate with the UX team, I believe we can arrange it by the end of next week. We can select a small group of users to test the core features.
That sounds like a solid plan. Please go ahead and work with the UX team to set it up. Also ensure that all feedback is documented and categorized based on priority.
Will do. I'll also prepare a summary report so we can review the findings together.
That would be very helpful. One last thing, how is the team morale? I know they've been working under a tight schedule.
Overall, the team is motivated, but the design team in particular is feeling a bit pressure due to the client's last-minute change.
I understand. Let's acknowledge their efforts and see if we can offer any support. Maybe we can organize a short team building session or a casual check-in to boost morale.
That's a good idea. I'll arrange a quick team check-in at the end of the week.
Perfect. Keep up the great work, Denti. Let's stay in close communication to ensure the success of Project A.
Absolutely. I'll keep you posted on any updates.
Before we wrap up, is there anything else you think we should discuss?
Actually, yes. I wanted to bring up the resource allocation for the next phase of the project. As we move into testing and debugging, we might need additional developers to assist in fixing critical issues quickly. Do we have the flexibility to temporarily assign more developers to this phase?
That's a valid concern. Let me check our research availability. If necessary, we might be able to reallocate one or two developers from another project that is nearing completion. I'll get back to you on this by tomorrow.
That will be great. Having extra support during the testing phase would help us address issue more efficiently.
Understood. I coordinate with the HR team and see what adjustments we can make. Also, how are we doing in terms of the documentation? Do we have all the necessary technical and user documentation in place?
The technical documentation is about 18% complete. The development team is finalizing the API documentation and integration guidelines. The user documentation is still in the early stage, though.
That's something we need to accelerate. User rely on clear documentation to navigate the system efficiently. Can we assign one or two people from the support team to help speed up the user documentation?
That's a good idea. I'll reach out to them and see who can assist.
Great. That should help us stay on track. Finally, I want to emphasize to the importance of communication. If any new issue arise, please make sure to flag them early so we can address them promptly.
Absolutely. I'll keep you informed about any major developments.
Wonderful. Thank you for your insight, Denti. Let's keep up the momentum and ensure that Project A stay on schedule.
Sounds good. I appreciate your guidance, Naya.
You're welcome. Have a productive day, and I follow up with you tomorrow regarding the research allocation.
Thank you. Have a great day.